CryptoVault Wallet app. The pros, the cons. When it comes to storing crypto securely, the CryptoVault Wallet app has been gaining attention as a digital vault for modern investors. But is it really as safe and convenient as it sounds? Let's break down the pros and cons. First, the biggest strength of CryptoVault lies in its advanced security system. It uses multi-layer encryption combined with biometric authentication, meaning your private keys are protected behind both your password and your fingerprint. That's a strong combination for mobile security, especially in a world where phishing attacks and scams are becoming more sophisticated every day. Another major advantage is how CryptoVault balances safety with convenience. You can manage multiple assets including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and various stablecoins all within one interface. The app syncs seamlessly across devices and it supports cold storage integration, so you can move assets offline for extra protection when needed. It also features real-time market tracking, portfolio analytics, and a built-in exchange, allowing you to trade directly without leaving the app. For everyday users, this makes managing crypto far more intuitive and less fragmented than juggling multiple platforms. However, there are some drawbacks to consider. While the app's high security is a selling point, it can make the user experience a little slower, especially during multi-factor authentication steps. Additionally, CryptoVault isn't entirely open source, which means you have to place a level of trust in the developers for security transparency. Another limitation is its relatively small ecosystem of supported tokens. While it covers the main blockchains, niche or newer crypto projects may not be compatible yet. In summary, the CryptoVault Wallet app is ideal for users who value strong protection and streamlined asset management. It's not the fastest or flashiest wallet on the market, but it focuses on what matters most, keeping your digital wealth safe. If you believe security should come first in crypto, CryptoVault delivers exactly that. A digital vault that helps you protect, track, and grow your assets with confidence.